a limited edition laptop. Owning it is a privilege. Hello viewers, the gates of premium tech heaven have opened. The globally limited MSI Stealth Mercedes edition laptop has landed in my hands. So here comes the detailed video of this beast demonstrating how it's ruling the AI era. MSI Stealth A16 AI plus Mercedes-AMG Motorsport A3XW notebook incorporates an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 APU, delivering up to 50 NPU tops with a 12-core 24-thread architecture, 36 MB aggregate cache, and the maximum turbo frequency of 5.1 GHz, perfectly aligning with the performance of Mercedes-AMG's cars. The integrated SoC chipset is coupled with the discrete NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU that provides 798 AI tops, a 2025 MHz boost clock, and with dynamic boost. Power efficiency scales with workload. The GPU is equipped with 8GB GDDR7 video memory. The system ships with Windows 11 Home. It features a 16-inch QHD plus OLED display with 2560 by 1600 native resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, and 100% DCI P3 color gamut. Beautiful, isn't it? The input module is a per-key RGB SteelSeries gaming keyboard with integrated Copilot key. Here it is. The imaging subsystem uses an infrared Full HD 1080 pixels webcam with HDR and 3D noise reduction. The audio architecture comprises dual 2-watt speakers plus quad 2-watt woofers powered by Dynaudio-tuned Nahimic 3 high-resolution audio enhancement and an array microphone. Physical dimensions are 355.8 by 259.7 by 19.95 millimeters, and the system weighs 2.1 kg with battery. The chassis finish is selenite grey. And look here. The input-output panel includes a single mic-in headphone combo jack. USB connectivity is provided by two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports and one USB port Type C port supporting DisplayPort and Power Delivery 3.0 Thunderbolt 4. This is the charging port. Video output is handled by an HDMI 2.1 port enabling 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 120 Hz. Networking features a 2.5 GB per second Ethernet LAN and Wi-Fi 7 plus Bluetooth 5.4 wireless module. Incredible! The security suite incorporates a fingerprint sensor, FTPM 2.0, webcam shutter, secured core PC firmware, Kingston lock, and Microsoft Pluton security engine. The power supply is a 240 watts AC adapter. The battery configuration is a 4-cell 99.9 Wh Li-ion unit. The device carries Meta-ready certification and is backed by a 2-year limited warranty. And what makes this particular laptop exclusive is the collaboration with Mercedes-AMG reinforces MSI's commitment to delivering high-performance premium products, aligning with their rebranding as a luxury tech brand. Mercedes-AMG Motorsport masters speed on the track, while MSI fuels gaming powerhouses. Whether on the racetrack or in the gaming arena, both push limits, delivering top-tier performance for drivers and gamers to crush records. The Mercedes-AMG edition is a complete upgrade compared to the standard Stealth edition. Every hardware and software aspect is elevated to premium. Think top-notch display, killer audio, best-in-class performance, and software features tailored to match the luxe experience. The laptop's design rocks AMG-inspired visuals, be it the logo and rhombus's texture, making it look straight fire. We are privileged to announce that we Vishal Peripherals have got the exclusive stock all over India only at our exclusive MSI store. With a demo unit ready for you to try out, and we are rolling out the red carpet for gamers and tech enthusiasts to experience the best of MSI's gaming prowess like never before. Limited edition laptop for those limited edition customers.